guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about vitamin C, everything you need to know possibly, and why it's good for your skin, how it works for your skin, etc. So let's start. So guys, vitamin C is amazing for your skin. It has antioxidants, which is like really good to get rid of those fine lines. It will get rid of all the dark spots on your skin, and it'll make your skin bright and really good and glowy. So that's why we use vitamin C, and you can get it in different forms like serum, cream, etc. You've seen a lot of my DIYs also where I use like a lemon, or you can also use like orange peel dried and you can use it as a scrub. You've seen a lot of my videos where I use lemon in most of my face packs. So all you can do is just take lemon, honey, and just dump it all over your face. It'll give you a really nice glow. But another thing is you need to use vitamin C in a proper form. So just don't use lemon on your skin. You'll get that tingling feeling, itchiness, and also use it with like honey or maybe malai. It's really good. So also see that whenever you purchase your vitamin C, it's in a nice bottle, or you will see it'll be in that tinted brown color bottle mostly, so that it doesn't get oxidized, and if it gets oxidized, becomes like this yellowish color. You don't want that. So then your vitamin C is not working. And make sure that you store it in a nice place, not in like sunlight or somewhere where it's like moist and all. So you place it and store it in a nice place. The next thing is always check your expiry date of your vitamin C cream or serum before you apply it. And this is good for every type of skin type, like for sensitive skin also it's very good. Most people use it. I don't see any problem. But also do a patch test before you apply any cream or any new serum or anything. Just place it here, wait for some time, then you apply it if you don't have like itchiness or anything. So this was about vitamin C, and now I'm going to show you this really cool face pack. Okay, I'm going to talk about it. I've been using it and it's amazing, good for all skin types, no problems at all. And guess what, it doesn't have any harmful chemicals or anything. It's paraben free, it's silicone free. It's amazing for our skin. So it's by Mamaearth. This is their vitamin C face mask. So because we were talking about vitamin C, I wanted to show you this face pack. I want to apply it and tell you why it's good, why it's worked for me. And as I told you, it's good for all skin types. So I'm going to apply this and I'm going to show it to you. So let's start. I just put this hairband so that I keep my hair away from my face. So this is what the face pack looks like. Smells amazing too. And I'm going to apply it now. So all you need to do is rinse your face, use a nice face wash, and then you apply your face pack. So apply it all over your face. Then we're going to leave it for like 15 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off. I really like Mamaearth products. They're so good. As I told you, they don't have any harmful chemicals and parabens and all of that. And also because it's an Indian brand, guys, that's so cool, right? So I'm done with applying the face pack. As I told you, it has like really good ingredients. It has like Kaolin, clay, and vitamin C, of course, which will like get rid of all the dark spots, will brighten my skin. And just an Indian brand, as I told you, it's great, right? I like supporting like Indian brands. And also, no chemicals, so everybody in your family can use it, which is great. And also guys, as a surprise, I have a 20% off if you want to buy like Mamaearth products. I'll put the discount code in the description, and also I'll put the links you can get from Nykaa, Amazon, and a lot of places. So the link is down below. Go get your face pack now, try it, and let me know if you liked it. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.